Alright, what's going on, people? Inheritance. So inheritance is this programming concept of one or more child classes receiving fields, methods, etc. from a common parent. Kind of like how people inherit genes from their parents. Well, with programming, we can kind of do something similar. Parent classes can have children classes, and anything that the parent class has, the child classes now have. So here's an example. Let's create a parent class named vehicle. Not any kind of specific vehicle, just a generic vehicle class. Class, vehicle, and there will be one field, let's say public int speed. And I'll set this equal to maybe 0. And let's create a method, public void go. All vehicles can go somewhere. And all we'll display is this vehicle is moving. We can inherit this speed field and this go method from the vehicle class. So this vehicle class is going to have children. So let's create a car class, a bike class, and a boat class. So type class, car. Then to inherit from another class, type after the class name, colon, and then the parent in which you would like to inherit from. So car is going to be the child class, vehicle will be the parent class. So car will have access to its own speed and go method, and then you can add anything additional within the car class, like number of wheels. Public int wheels. And I'll set this to 4 for all car objects. Now let's create a bicycle class. It's the same process as before. Class, bicycle. And this will inherit from the vehicle class as well, but let's change wheels to 2. And then let's create a boat class. Class, boat. Inherits from vehicle, wheels, 0 because, well, it's a boat. Okay, so let's instantiate a car, bicycle, and boat object. So let's do that here. Car equals new car. Bicycle. Keep on spelling bicycle wrong. Bicycle equals new bicycle. And boat equals new boat. So if we take a look at this car object, there is a speed field as well as a go method, even though there's nothing within this car class besides wheels. So since car is the child class and vehicle is the parent class, car has access to a go method and a speed field, even though there's nothing within here except a wheels field. And of course, car objects do have a wheels field as well, which we stated within the car class. So let's just test these. I'm going to display car.speed, followed by car.wheels, and I will have this car use its go method, car.go. Alright, so our car speed is 0. That's because we set it to be 0 within the vehicle class. This car has 4 wheels, which we stated within the car class, and this car class has a go method that states this vehicle is moving. So I bet the same thing applies to our bicycle and boat object. So let's copy these 3 lines of code, change car to bicycle. Bicycle.speed, bicycle.wheels, and bicycle.go. And the same thing applies to boat. Boat.speed, boat.wheels, boat.go. So all 3 of these different types of vehicles each have a speed field, a wheels field, and a go method. So the point of inheritance is that we can reuse code. I mean, we could just copy these fields and methods and then paste them within each of these classes. But imagine that you have hundreds of different classes and we need to change like go to start. Well, it's a lot easier just to make that change in one place than having to manually go through all of our classes. So yeah, that's kind of the benefit of inheritance. We can keep anything that these classes have in common within a common parent class. And these classes can simply just inherit these fields and methods. So yeah, that's inheritance. If you liked this video, be sure to smash that like button, drop a random comment down below, and well, yeah, that's inheritance in C#.